Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how I do the base of my makeup. First, I get my hair back. I can use a headband or can use a hairnet or a wig cap like I have right here in case you want to put a wig on for like cosplay or anything. This one is open top. The open top net, I like these ones. You just put it on like a choker and just shove it up and put your hair in there. Just like that. But I actually prefer a headband for most situations, like when I'm getting ready in the morning. First, I prime my face with the e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. Although it doesn't really hydrate my skin like I want it to. Like, my skin still gets flaky. Anyways, I use e.l.f. concealer palette, or like color correcting palette, sorry. And I use the green, just put it like everywhere to cancel out the red, because I'm really self-conscious about that. I have the green e.l.f. stick, the color correcting stick. It's a lot firmer in texture, and I don't like it, and it's like much darker. It's very weird because it's both e.l.f. Like, see, I have the e.l.f. orange one. It's also much harder than the palette, and it's not as nice to put on. Like, I really have to rub it in. Like, rub it in. The palette is a lot creamier. I like it a little bit better. But right here I have my Maybelline concealer. Right there. All of this is drugstore, by the way. I'm too poor to afford anything else. I just put it in areas of darkness, like my under eyes, or hyperpigmentation, where the green still won't cover most of the red. I use my NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop. I just sort of smear that all around. On top of my concealer, I don't... I mean, I think it contours. No, not contours. I think it sort of blends how I want it to. Like, it sort of mixes together, and I'm just convinced that it works. If you want to blend out your concealer first and then put the foundation on, I understand. And also have a spotter, because sometimes you miss some spots. Should also probably do your neck and ears as well if you want a full evenness. I didn't do that here because I didn't have anywhere to go. Anyways, I just set it with loose powder. The NYX brand. It's one of my faves, I think. I don't know. I haven't used too many. But it's just something to set the face, and that's basically how you do your base. Alrighty, okay, thanks, bye.